Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how to get at the guts of this Kohler sink faucet thingamadoo. Now, why would you want to do this? Maybe you need to clean it out a little bit better than usual. These things get gunged up real nice and the clicky click click stops working so well. So I'm just going to show you how to get it apart. I won't tell you how to fix it because I couldn't fix this one either, but this video ain't on the internet yet. So first, what we have to do is rotate this black ring with these 4 inset indents here. We can rotate that and unscrew it. Now, there's a couple ways to do it. There is a C-clip plier you could get. I don't have. You can otherwise get what I have here. It's called a lens repair tool. There are these flat ends here that I could use for pulling lenses, camera lenses apart. And then I got these little nippers on this side I'm going to use for this job. In a pinch, you could use needle nose pliers right there. So here, I already got this set up. You go in here like that. Twist it. I'm going to hold the wrench and twist the faucet spigot head, and you can see it's starting to come loose. And there we have it. So with that out of the way, we can start getting into the guts of this. And hopefully get to the part where we can pull this all out. All right, found myself a nice little flat screwdriver. I'm gonna go under this, try to get past the rubber. So you're under the whole switch there, under the plastic body, and just pry that up and pull it out. You'll see that's what those parts look like right about there. Now that that's out of the way, we can push the internal mechanism out of the body, set that aside. And next, this front section here is just press fit on. You can just grab that, pull that, and it's away. And then the last part, the valve that selects spray or stream, is right about here. You can push that out. Now, I'll leave it up to you to figure out how to clean this because I couldn't get this one to work again either. Nonetheless, you now know how to take one of these apart. Simple enough, put it back together. Do everything I just said in reverse. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much. Stay safe out there.